Hey everybody, I just want to make a really quick video on the new Bose Sleepbuds 2. One common problem that I've seen a lot of people post on Reddit and elsewhere about is that their Sleepbuds are not charging to 100% their first night. I got these at about 18% charge, at least that's what the app said, and some 6 hours later, the level of charge still was at 25%. So some people are worried that this is a repeat of the whole Sleepbuds version 1 thing where the battery is defective, etc. But in fact, the battery is not defective. I think that there's just some initial calibration that has to happen. One way of basically resetting that calibration is to reset the case itself. Some people have luck with just leaving the Sleepbuds charging for a really long period of time. Like I said, mine has been charging for about 6 hours now, but some people will leave it charging for longer and eventually it'll show 100%. The other way to quickly get it to reset and recalibrate is to actually reset the case. And so on the very back of the Bose Sleepbuds case, you can see here's the USB-C port, and there's also a little hole on the left-hand side. And so what you can do is you can take a mechanical pencil or paperclip or something that you have, and you just have to reset the case. So when you do so, you just stick the object right in there, and you can see the lights will turn off for a moment, and when you remove the object, it'll turn back on. Once you're done with resetting the case, you should actually just be able to pull the Sleepbuds out, and you should be able to then see that they're set at 100% now. So for example, here's my iPhone. I have my Sleepbuds connected to my iPhone 10. If I go ahead and pull these Sleepbuds out, this will cause them to connect to my phone. And you can see now that they are correctly showing at 100% battery. So hopefully that's helpful for you. If you liked this tip, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I do a bunch of different random videos. I'm going to do a follow-up for the Bose Sleepbuds in about a week once I've been using them for a little while. My first night with them will actually be tonight, so I'll get a chance to actually check out how well it works for me. Thanks, and see you next time.